Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, a great month, man. June 3rd. Gotta love it. Don't make assumptions. Let your life be transformed. When you stop making assumptions, your word becomes impeccable, and your life will completely transform. Magic just happens in your life. What you need comes to easily because the Spirit moves freely through you. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 21, NASDAQ off 131, S&P's off 15, gold contract down $35.80, traded at $18.74 an ounce. You got silver off 67 cents, $27.53 an ounce. Light sweet crude down 12 cents, $68.72 a barrel, notes and bonds. The 10-year note down 10 ticks, trading 132.17. The 30-year off 14 ticks at 157.21. And King Dollar's caught a bid up 594 ticks, trading 90.502. The euro is at 121. The yen is at 110.29. The British pound is at 140 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do we have out here? Okay, so if we take a look at this S&P, what you're going to see is that you had, well, first we had a SPY that gets down to a price point of 416.28. You rejected lower price. You're at 418.88. You've done 45 million shares. Bottom line, you're coming into 51 million, 75 million. What's that 75 million? 416.62. Yeah, so there you go. So that's going to be the highs of the trading day of the 20th. So jobs number tomorrow morning, folks. Bottom line, it's telling me that the S&Ps are going to try to get into and test the high again. This is going to be really wild, man. We'll see if we get the test of the highs. But that's the way that this is set up thus far. That being said, as I said many times, the NQ's different ball game. Totally different ball game, too. The NQ's right now, the futures are down 131. We're at 13,540. And now the 13,540 is 90 points over the high, so of the low today. You know, we got down to this 13,462. That being said, yeah, I can see a little bounce, but the bounce in the NQs, I suspect, will only get to like a 620 or something. Right now, we're at 540. So that's 120 points. You know, it'd be like, okay, you can go to the lows of the last trading of last week. That's kind of how I'm looking at that. Small caps. We go take a look at the IWM. They're not done going up either. Bottom line, they rejected 224. You're at 226. Bottom line, you get this 230 that's kind of hanging out here, looks to get tested. I don't expect the highs on the small caps, but what I do expect is that 230 can get hit. Gold. We go take a look at the gold contract out here, GC. Gold contract, we came down hard and fast, 263,000 contracts traded. We are at 1874, so its game here, and the gold is 1846. That's where we broke out from on the, let's see, why can't this come up? It drives me crazy when this happens. The dates disappear on me. Okay, so that's the 17th. Bottom line, I can get down to the 17th. Now, that being said, the gold equities are in a different ball game altogether. If we go to look at the GDX, what you're going to see inside the GDX is that this is a classic time in the trade, man. You're right back to the breakout area. The breakout area inside the GDX, okay, was out here. You did 44 million shares. You had a low of $38.13. We've done 19 million shares today. It's already rejected $38 and a penny. You know, so to me, what that's saying is that, guess what? Bottom line, you rejected the lower price out here. You came back to the breakout area. That's saying that once again, you're going to go into higher price. Notes and bonds. We take a look at the note and bond market. Excuse me, folks. We have the note and bond market, which is unusual today, but that's also telling me that, guess what? This thing wants higher price, meaning the S&P wants higher price. So inside the 10-year note, you come down with 100, with a million contracts. I think you're going into 1.3 million or something, though. You're going into an outrageous number. Okay. Actually, it's 3 million. You're going into 3 million, and you're going into 1.8 million. 1.8 million, that low there was 131.20. We're at 131.19. That's still saying higher price coming at us. Good old King Dollar. Now, King Dollar has done many times. It's caught the bid, but yet can't hold the bid. Now, it's holding the bid today. That's the real bottom line. Oops, look at that. Unreal. Sorry. After all that, the charts weren't up. Okay, so here they go, folks. Sorry about that. That's sad. Okay, so here, I'm going to go back to the GDX quick on this so you can see the GDX. So the GDX, first off, that's right back to the breakout area. You're going to see that I rejected the $38.13. You're at $38.26 right now. And then, oh, good old King Dollar. So, but we have a King Dollar. King Dollar out here. Excuse me, folks. 588.6. That's how much you're up. First time. Well, not the first time. Okay, we can go all the way back to April 30th. Each time that we have a nice day like this, it lasts 1 or 2 days and gives up again in spades. We'll see if that's going to happen again. Bottom line, it looks to me like King Dollar first is going to go up to 90.900, which is another half a penny or 500 ticks. We'll see whether it can hold. That's the real bottom line. Or does it do what it's done the last 2 times? The last 2 times it only lasted for 1 day. The third time, going back into the beginning of May, what it did do, it laid up there for 3 days before that baby pulled back. But bottom line, folks, what you have out here is that you pulled back this morning, rejected lower price, you have lighter volume, market's going higher again. S&P wants to test the highs. Stay right there, folks. Come right back. Dow Industrials up 5. NASDAQ down 121. S&P's off 12.5. We'll come right back.